Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear cache on Windows 11. Okay, the first step would be to click on the Windows browser icon. Now type disk cleanup. Select your disk. Here, select the following. Now we wait. Okay, now we will open the Windows search engine. We will put CMD, right-click, Rus as administrator. Here you type apt-config/flushdns. Now click on the browser and search for %appdata%. And delete everything here. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks!